Okay guys, another product review here. This is called the Xtrahand, as featured on Dragins Den. Now the guy who had this took a bit of criticism on that show about it because he didn't have a patent for it, a patent, and obviously that puts a lot of the Dragons off. However, I do believe he got some investment. I have purchased one. They were offering them at £17 each for the basic kit. The basic kit comes with the dust extraction part there and a rubber hose attachment here. Now these are rubber. When you buy them with power tools, you can see a little bit of dust on it already because I've been playing with it. Previously, like I was saying, on power tools you normally get this plastic attachment which quite often just pops out. This is dust. It fits in there quite nicely. It's got a good seal. It's got a good grip as that. I'll be honest with you, it's got a good grip. It's got like this rubber gasket around that, so obviously when it attaches to the wall, it keeps a good seal on the wall. It also has the mouth here for catching the dust. Now you can see I've already caught some dust in it because I was using it, which you'll see further on in this video, for putting our TV up. We got one of those Sky Glass TVs here in the UK, so I was putting that up, swapping our TVs over. You can see the dust there, just collecting there where it couldn't get over the ridge there, but at the end of the day, that did what it was supposed to do, which was catch the dust. Now I used, in that section of the video, you'll notice I used a Charles vacuum cleaner, which is same as the Henry. So that has quite a lot of power to hold this to the wall, and it really did get a good grip of the wall in that part. But today, for this part of the video, I'm using this, which I've just got, which is a 9L cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, I've just purchased this, and I got a free battery with it, which is this small 2.5 Ah battery, and it's 18 volt. So we're just going to, straight out of the box, attach it to the hose. That fits perfectly onto the hose. It just looks part of the vac now, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch it on. Now this hose here has a lot of tension on it, and you can expect this vacuum cleaner is not as powerful as the Henry, but we're going to see if it'll hold it to the wall. See, my camera's in the right place first. I just move it slightly up. Switch it on. There we go. So, when the hose is in stretching, it's holding it to the wall quite well. I mean, I can't ask for any better than that. However, when it won't hold it with the stretch. This has got quite a lot of tension to it. Now we don't need to draw any holes today. Just switch it off a minute, I'll explain this next bit of the thing. We don't need to drill any holes today. I'll do that later on in the video with the rest of the review. Now, in the past, I have used something like this, which is what I use somewhere else, so I kept it. Basically what I do is I make a pouch out of an old letter, or you could just use an envelope if you wanted, and there you can see all the brick dust inside it. So what I would do, masking tape, stick it to the wall, drill my hole, and all the dust goes into the pouch. Nifty little idea if you don't have a dust extraction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach that back to the wall, and I'm just going to pour the dust inside it. We'll switch the back on again. So it kind of did it. Like I said, I put my TV up last night with it and used a different vac, and it did do a better job of collecting the dust. This one is not as powerful, obviously. It is a battery operated vacuum cleaner, so yeah, it's probably not as good on that, so it will need a normal thing. But you saw how easy, I mean, this vacuum is not as powerful as one that you would plug into the wall, so you saw how that has held it to the wall. Even with just that suction, but I think because it's using the suction, it's struggling a little bit to get the dust into there. I mean, some of it went in, some of it's gone all around the actual device there. So, there we go. This is an Xtrahand, and yeah, it's not too bad. It's got quite a good build quality to it. Like I said, you do need a more powerful vac for it. It is for DIY professional use, and it's quite good actually. Like I said, if you're just doing a bit of DIY around your house, it stops a lot of the dust. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of footage. Obviously, I've done that before, so I'm just doing the end bit of this video in the same property that from the beginning. You just see me using that, putting a TV up with a different vacuum cleaner. This was a Charles, which is from the Henry family. It's a lot more powerful, and it completely removed all the dust as it was full back for carrying around from job to job. So we may use it for that purpose. It might just do it anyway for just drilling the holes in and everything. It will catch the dust if it's completely underneath the drill. So yeah, apparently you can use it on ceilings as well, but like I said, I don't think it would work with this back. There is a lot of tension on that hose. It's very springy. It's like a spring is that, because it's a compact vac. So yeah, there we go. That's the Xtrahand. Now I may do another video on this with a counterpart, something that's basically a lot cheaper but has a similar design, and I'll compare both of them together. This has been highly rated on Dragins Den as one of the best products for catching dust that you see on TV. Like I said, there's a lot of kind of cheap copies out there, so I have ordered a cheaper version of this, and we're going to see how it differs with this one and that one. Now, using an underpowered vac like that, you're not going to get the same results, so you need something a bit more powerful, like I said, like one of the Henry vacs for doing one of these. So anyway, that's the Xtrahand there for you. I'll leave a link down below in the description of where I purchased this from. You buy it direct from the website. Look out for some good deals. They probably have some good deals. They do different hose connectors if you need bigger hose. These are just the standard vac sizes that you buy off the shelf. So there you go. there's the extra hand for you. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like and subscribe. Do appreciate everybody who subscribes to the channel. The money that we make off this channel, we do buy other products like this. This was £17, so we do appreciate everybody who supports the channel. It helps us to buy these things because we don't get sponsored, or should I say I don't get sponsored for any of the products that I put on my channel. I do buy them out of my own pocket because I do use them on the jobs, as you can see I'm on the job now, and that's how basically what we do with this channel, just to help you understand what these things are. And I'm not an actor, I'm not getting everybody who supports the channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and push the notification bell as well. So like I said, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in another video soon.